Hello guys, welcome back to another video with Rhoda Munjo, and here today I'll be turning my skin moisturizer, which is very thick, into a leave-in conditioner for my hair. So right now you will see me apply the leave-in conditioner onto my hair, and it looked really juicy and soft. So guys, don't forget to do the usual, which is subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting down below, okay? So I washed my hair about 4 days before making this video, so it's clean and it's without product. I think on the very first day I applied some little oil on it, but that's it, nothing more. So I'm going to dab my hair with some water to make it easy for my fingers to go through as I apply my leave-in conditioner and twist my hair. See how easily my hair is absorbing this leave-in conditioner already. Also, my twists are bouncy and feel soft, you can see for yourself. So now let's get into the details of the video. In order to make this leave-in conditioner, I heated 250 ml of water, which is a cup of water, and once it came to a boil, I added in my fenugreek seeds and left it there for 5 more minutes before turning off my stove. So the quantity of fenugreek seeds I used was a tablespoon. So after I turned off my stove, I allowed the fenugreek water cool down completely. So I left the seeds in the water overnight, and then the next day I used it to make my leave-in conditioner. So I strained out the seeds from the water the next day. So I'm just taking my skin moisturizer out of its jar and putting it into something bigger to make the mixing process easy, because we'll just be mixing the fenugreek water into this moisturizer and then adding other ingredients. Make sure to watch to the end. If you'd like to know how I made the skin moisturizer I am using for this video, I'll link it down in the description.